Welcome to a dose of positivity. How to find clarity. Yesterday, my office was a mess. I will share pictures with you. I couldn't see the counters. I couldn't see anything. Everything was everywhere. Oh my goodness. Today, it's nice and clean, and I have never been so clear in my life. It's crazy. I can't even begin to explain it. I've heard people say that when you're lost, when you can't seem to get your head on straight, clean something. And when something gets cleaned, it cleans out your brain. It makes things more obvious to you. Well, let me tell you, yesterday was definitely a testament to that because my office was a mess, my brain was a mess, I didn't know which direction I was going, I couldn't figure it out, I couldn't put it on paper, I couldn't speak it, I couldn't figure it out. So last night, after I cleaned a bathroom, after I cleaned the office, after I did some dishes, counters, laundry, whole 9 yards, all of a sudden I'm going to bed at 11 o'clock and it's like, whoa, whoa, bells and whistles went off. I'm like, oh, write this down, write this down. I had so many ideas. You guys, today I've made 4 or 5 videos just because I feel free. I feel like the clutter is gone. It's definitely gone from my desk. It's gone from my bathroom. It's gone from my laundry room and my kitchen. I am thrilled and overjoyed. I am free of the clutter. I am free to share this with you. This is awesome. So if you feel lost, if you find like you can't figure things out right now and you can't go in the direction you want to go in and something's holding you back, clean something. Because by all means, if your environment is clean, everything else becomes clean too. And I'm not saying get down on your hands and knees and scrub with a toothbrush and go out of your mind and clean your whole house. No, I'm just saying take a break from whatever it is that you're trying to figure out, whatever it is that you're trying to manifest. Take a break, go do something else, clean something, come back. I'm telling you, it's going to help. We just need to take a break from going and going and going because sometimes you can go and go and go, but the ideas aren't there. They get stifled. So you need to take a break. Take a break, take care of you, clean something up. Anything can happen. I love you guys. It's coming. It's coming. Just take a break and come back to it. Coming. Love you.